In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw part 7 of the tractor. Part 7 of the tractor. Great. So we can see that the top and the bottom are pretty much exactly the same. So once we draw one half, then we can just mirror everything down to the bottom. So sketch, what plane, top plane. So okay, draw a line up and up again. So hit D for dimension. So here is 18. So here 10, 10, and then okay, let's draw this circle here. C for circle on your keyboard. That's in 6 and any undimensioned or 3.5. I'm going to draw another circle, C for circle. Actually, sorry, there's none here. There's two. One here, one here. We'll actually delete this one. And these are over 16. So D dimension from here to here. 16. From here to here. 16. Again. 2.5. 2.5. This is up 11 and then 18. So and delete that. You know, and sometimes you're trying to tell it to delete that there. Dimension. Do that again. Okay. Delete on the keyboard. Click on the dimension, click delete on the keyboard, and we're actually going to delete that circle as well. Yes. Let's sketch into it. Nice. So C for circle. Dimension. Here to here. 11. It's better. Here. Here. 16. And the circle itself. 3.5. And then from here to here, 18. Perfect. Now we have this circle here, radius 6 on the top. So C for circle, E for dimension, 12. And then L for line from here, straight down to meet this line. And we're going to just make sure this circle, this line are tangential. M for trim. There's a problem there, you see. Undo that. What we meant to do is X for extend. Better now. T for trim. Or M for trim. That's better. So that line actually wasn't continued around. Click it there. like I said at the start, if we go more white line, this line here, this, here's all the parts and merge, and so that there is part 7 completed.